ONYX RCR. It's my buddy Chris. I'm at his house here in Jersey. Check that out. Of course, I'm riding the 74V Talaria. He's also got a modified Razor RSF 650. I'm excited to take out all these bikes tomorrow.
That's fun, man. Dude, and I'm just on 2.
Yeah? You didn't try it on mode 3?
Not yet.
We're just gonna go down this and then up Coolidge, a place called Caddis Island. You think there's a cop sitting right here? We could test it here. You wanna go on green?
Yeah, why not?
Alright.
Oh, what do you mean, race?
No, I just wanna see.
Alright.
That's crazy. You were out, bro.
You want to try it again?
Alright, count it down.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's your top speed?
63.
Oh shit. Yo, but pickup is crazy.
I only hit 61.
How do you even stay on it?
What's up?
How do you stay on it?
I'm literally just rolling on the throttle.
That's crazy.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Taking the views.
Bro, that's cool.
Yeah, alright. You ever try your bike in the sand?
Yeah, a little bit. I went to Chincoteague like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
I didn't really rip on it. I was with like Bailey and shit. How much do you think your bike weighs?
175.
Really?
No, 125.
Oh, okay. So this bike's heavier than that. With the battery, it's probably like 140.
If you want to try your bike.
What? In sand?
Yeah.
Oh. I can't do it. It's hard.
Yeah, it's hard.
I'm getting cake. Oh, dude, I'm getting cake. Oh, shit. I think my motor's getting hot or something.
Oh, really? Oh, maybe we should get out soon.
Oh, geez. I've never had it feel this sluggish. Like, I'm pretty sure there's sand inside my jeans. Dude, that's crazy.
Yeah.
I mean, that was pretty fun, but I don't think this bike is fully capable of riding on sand full time.
Yeah.
So, is this ONYX like fully stock or?
Just heat sinks. There's Taria in the hub. I put Taria in the hub.
Stock battery?
Yeah, stock battery. But there was like a 5-second delay. It comes stock, and it also comes like 55%.
Uh-huh.
So it's now to 100, which really just changes the acceleration.
Okay.
They turn it down when they sell it, because
my gloves, everything's just full of sand right now.
What is the? How long can you top speed for then?
I can cruise at 60 for a long bit.
Yeah.
Because it's not like it's drawing that many amps like right off.
I guess the sand is really like, it's like holding it, right?
Yeah, like it's a lot of load on the rear wheel. And then on top of that, I've got this smaller 44 tooth sprocket. The smaller the sprocket, the more load it is on the motor when you're doing pulls. There's less low end torque, but the trade-off is you get a little bit higher top speed.
I know in Florida they do the mini bike racing. Blake, I think Blake has the fastest. And then there's the Hawaii people. Right?
Yeah, no, you're right. They've got the crazy QS setups with the extended swing arms. Yeah. So I'm trying to build something similar. I've got a SX500 at home that I put just like the EC4P motor. I'm gonna do the noisy Cricket. And then I have a 72 volt, 40 amp hour, a Morge battery, extended swing arm kit. I'm trying to hit like 60, 65, something like that with it.
So scary.
Yeah.
It's so scary on the razor. Yo, your bike is so fast.
Oh man, looks like I need a new throttle anyway. This thing is like packed with sand and just getting jammed in place. It's pretty dangerous. Let me know if you guys have a suggestion for a throttle. Should I switch this out for a Domino? All right guys, well we are now in Philadelphia. We've actually never been here before, so we're just gonna spend the rest of the weekend exploring this place. Had a lot of fun taking out the XXX and had a couple people test drive this thing. I've always been curious to see if it was faster than an ONYX RCR, and as you can see, it is obviously faster, but obviously this thing is heavily modified. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you like this kind of content, want to keep up with some of my projects, some of my rides, consider subscribing to this channel. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching. When in Philly. Look at that.